applicable. Tama na.
Ako dito. Sorry guys.
What's up mga kahigala? This is Meda and Koy. And this is another day, another slay of our daily vlog. And now, nami diri karon sa amuang ini nga subject.
Home economics.
Home economics. And we're doing some cooking show. And we are team dinner making what?
Kare-kare.
Kare-kare. So you better watch. Our enemy, you better watch. We do have the best kare-kare in town. This is my team. This is Kim. And this is Jaylene, our beautiful in brown apron.
Nag-iilong ni Tigo. Nag-iilong ni Tigo.
Secret dito siya, guys. So that's the end.
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malam? Another day, another slay.
Hi vlog! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to cook breakfast.
I have here Miss Ma'am Juanita, the best teacher ever.
Montage!
Yay! Yan, tastes si Ma'am. Sarap daw.
Juice delicious.
Juice delicious. Karon nakita na ito na
Karon ang
pag-slice.
itlog na.
Sa pag-slice sa itlog. Dito naman na sa ito ang maestra na si Juanita. Yes, Juanita. Naka-thumbs up si Ma'am. So meaning, Melanie and siya.
Tayo ka, nagdalag yung ano din, nagdalag.
What can you say about our activity today?
Activity we had what? Fun and
Lingaw, fan, kay ma-develop yung skills sa cooking, fan ako, ni-collaborate ko sa mga cooking. Una ko yung skill, ako yung sito.
Lingaw and naano na ako like tadi mga talent ang classmates sa cooking. Yeah, that's it.
it was fun and dami ang food and also nabusog.
Yes. Let me try and thank you God for the pizza.
Fun. It was very exciting. I love the color. I love the... Yeah, ang activity kay wala. Linaw kayo siya kay maka-learn ni sa pag-cook, kung saan ang tamang na mga ibutang sa kaunon, sa breakfast, dinner, and lunch.
Fun kay nanigaw yung pupang mugas sa plato.
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Was done successfully and everybody has cooperated the activity. Okay, thank you for sharing your ideas and skills in this subject.
So that ends our vlog today. Again, my name is Meta. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.